Did you know that even the most successful companies have had their share of failures? Take Ford for example, one of the most recognized names in the automotive industry. It's a brand that's been around for over a century, and in that time it's seen its fair share of ups and downs. Let's journey back in time to the early 20th century. Henry Ford, the mastermind behind the Ford Motor Company, had his first taste of failure with the 1902 Ford, a vehicle that quickly fell by the wayside. This was followed by a series of unsuccessful models including the 1903 Ford Model A Runabout, the 1905 Ford Model B Touring Car, and the 1906 Ford Model N Runabout. Even the 1924 Chrysler Touring Car, a project Ford embarked upon, failed to make a significant impact. Fast forward to 1957 and Ford was ready to introduce a new car to the world. Named after Henry Ford's son, the Edsel was launched with great fanfare. It was supposed to be the car that would redefine the automotive industry. Unfortunately, it turned out to be one of Ford's most significant failures. The Edsel failed to resonate with the public, and after just a few years, it was discontinued. But perhaps the most infamous Ford failure came in the form of the Ford Pinto. Released in the 1970s, the Pinto faced significant controversy due to safety concerns. Rear-end collisions could cause the fuel tank to rupture and catch fire, leading to widespread criticism and a tarnished reputation. So, why are we talking about these failures? Because they are not the end of the story. They are the stepping stones on the path to success. It's important to remember that failure often paves the way for future triumphs. Henry Ford used the lessons from his early failures to achieve later success. He once said, "Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently." And that's precisely what he did. Each failure was a lesson, a chance to refine, to rethink, to improve. In summary, the journey of Ford serves as a powerful reminder that even the most successful companies have faced failures. From the 1902 Ford to the Ford Pinto, each failure has been a stepping stone, a learning opportunity that paved the way for future successes. Remember, failure isn't fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts. So, the next time you're facing a setback, remember the story of Ford. Who knows? Your biggest failure might just be your stepping stone to success.